is the most commonly used requirement case. Most of the requirements you can achieve by case statements. So that's the reason I using in multiple times. It looks simple, guys, but based on logical and thought, how you want to achieve the requirement using CDS, that is the important. Okay. Your more majorly comes with the designing part. When you are working with CDS, majorly you need to think on the designing part, guys. What function should be used or it. Okay, fine. Next, I'm just explaining about concat. Okay, this we have discussed. This is a function which is used to concatenate two fields. It is used to concatenate two character fields. Concat. Okay, now what I've done is I'm concatenating material and sales order item text. This is generic requirement, guys. When you interact with third party system, they ask, okay, I want to concatenate material followed by material text. It should come as a part of single field. Okay, so this is a generic requirement that they ask. Okay, similarly anything. Okay, I'm just using a function called concat. Just I'm using a concat material followed by sales document text, nothing but material line item text as material item text, and specifying as alias. Any function which you use, you need to use alias. Any function you use, you need to use alias. Okay, now saving it and activating. Okay, now if you see here, now if you see here the last, slowly it has will be concatenated and coming as that field. Whatever, oh sorry, it is part of this here. See here, sales document text, it has been concatenated material followed by text, material text, material item text. If you see here, TG11 material number and followed by trade goods movement followed by trades goods 11. All this is the text which is got concatenated, which is got concat. That is the function used for concat, used for the function. Okay, you can specify. I can specify, for example, this I want to convert to uppercase, upper or lower. Generally, it will be upper, guys. Nobody converts to lower. Okay, I can use upper. Similarly, we have lower also. Similarly, we have lower also. Upper followed by as. I can specify same name. I can specify same name. Doesn't matter. As this. Now see here, the text will be calculated. The text will be converted to upper. Likewise, you can use all sort of functions, guys. N number of functions. Now if I can this, I need to remove this, otherwise time consuming. See here, text is already converted to upper. It converted only sales document text, not here, not here. It converted only this. See here, because I converted this and saved as this, saved as this. Here I am using directly again from the database. I cannot use this field to another field, guys. The value which is part of same CDS cannot be used for other CDS calculations. Other CDS, same CDS calculations. Okay, now how to convert this uppercase? Okay, my requirement is I need to convert to this uppercase. I need to do concatenation, plus I need to do uppercase. How? Guys, function on top of function. Function on top of function. First, I'm doing a concatenated. The value which is concatenated should be converted to uppercase. Again, upper followed by this brackets open, do concatenation, finally do account. Okay, comes from inner part. First it does concatenation, the value which is resulted will be converted to uppercase. Finally it will be stored as this particular thing. Now simply if see here, I'm just using execute. Just taking time to activate. Sure, just a minute. Okay, why taking this much time? Now see here, this is also converted to uppercase. Oh, still it is not converted. Wait a minute, I think activation is not completed. Completed or not? Yeah, it's completed. Now it should be. Yeah. Sometime. Now all the material text is been converted to upper. See here, everything converted to upper. We used a function. First we are doing concatenated, and top of that I'm using a function of upper. Likewise, you can use multiple function, guys. It is not like limited to single function. Okay, that's your wish. Okay, based on your requirement. Based on your requirement. Any questions on this till this point?
If I would like to apply sum along with the case, let's suppose all the completed net value needs to be sum based on the, if it is the C, that needs to be sum up.
No, it can't be done like that. Aggregations cannot be done like that. You need to get first required value in one CDS. On top of that, you need to create one more CDS.
This is already NETWR value will be available in item text, right? Which is already standard, right? Yeah, item
Yes.
code sales document item. Then we have already that value. Based on that value, can we make sum on the net amount?
No, in this way you cannot do. Okay, you mean to say, like, for example, if this is the case, then I need to do some of
Let's
this.
say
Okay.
this is the scenario. AC docker tables will be there. We have the debit indicator and the credit indicators, right? So I would like to sum up all the debit indicators, yes, and I would like to sum up the H. I don't
Okay.
want to make
Okay, so in case of CDS, yes, if you want to do by that particular, it will come like a line item wise only. Wherever you write a select on top of CDS, because based on the fields, key fields, it will be unique record. Now sales order document and items, it is a key fields. So based on this, there will be one record. Even though you write a sum here, doesn't makes any difference. It still comes as a line wise.
Can we
Okay,
make a case statement? Can I apply a case along with the sum?
case along with sum.
Hmm.
No, no, because doesn't it work? It doesn't going to work. Okay, so let's see on that. Okay, we'll see as a part of this only. Until this point is clear on this particular functions.
Yes.
Okay, now let's take one. For example, this is the requirement. I want to do a sum. Yes, you can apply this all aggregations. Okay, but the thing is, just a minute. I need to create. Let me create one more CDS. Okay, just I'm removing all these fields. Net amount is there, fine. I require net amount, followed by I need to get it. Currency is fine. These all things I am just able to remove it. Now, yes, I don't want this also, because if I am applying any aggregations, then I need to apply group by operations. Any aggregations which are applied, group by is must. That's what we have discussed it. Even it may be regular select or it may be CDS. Now I'm going to specify what is this fight expected. Okay. Now if I'm going to specify, see here, simply sum, yes, it accepts aggregations, net amount as amount. Just I'm taking it, and followed by I need to specify group by. I need to specify all non-summation fields. All non-summation fields. Sales document followed by sales document item and followed by currency and transaction currency. Doesn't matter here. Even though you apply here sum, in this example, I'm just telling you, in this example, sum doesn't matter, because in your target CDS, which you are fetching sales document item, there will be only one item based on the sales document item. As a business case, I'm explaining this as a business case. Here doesn't matter. Now see here, simply I'm saving it and activating it. Okay. Now, okay, simply I'm going to F8. Your sum will work. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, it will be based on the item. Now what I'll do is I'll just remove this particular item. So I'm getting based on the sales document. I'm just using a group currency and followed by sales document. Okay, activating it. Activating it. Now if I execute it, you'll get some meaningful values. Okay, just compare with this. We prefer executing only 10 20 item. Okay, see here there are some calculations different. It gets only by sales order. There may be 10 records. The 10 records will be summed. 10 records will be summed here in this particular case. 10 records will be summed, transaction currency and followed by this. Now the question is, can we apply a sum on the case statement? Okay, now let's see that also. Okay, sum followed by case. Okay, when I'm going to use overall delivery status C. Overall delivery status equal to C in this case. Okay, then use this amount, then net amount, as, it's giving an error guys, but not sure, as completed amount. Okay, or amount completed status something. Okay, you can use multiple field sum, but here it's giving us a case. Okay, unexpected space end as, that's it. Okay, end as. Okay, now still it is given. Case is this. Okay, just
Can we use that sum of net amount case?
just a minute.
In that
Just
case, we can use
case
the
again.
sum, right?
Case expression without else space leads to null. Okay, fine. Just a minute. Okay, we'll just, when this is this, then this, fine. Else 0. It should be, else should be there for a case, so I'm just using 0. That's it. Still it giving an error. Okay, table name sales document. Oh, okay. Overall daily. Oh, sorry. Alias name. And finally, yes, we can apply. Now see here, saving it, activating. Now it is only displays the amount which is of completed. This particular field, just executing it. Okay, see here, this is not a completed status. So this is the order completed. So the same value is getting here. Is the same question?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, next question. Somebody asks other question. Can we apply what is that question?
No, instead of summing here, just we can directly use that. Then net amount is right.
No, we can't do it. It should be overall sum on the field. The value which is returned from this field, you are summing on that field, not individual. If this is sum, else it is this. No, we can't do. Only one operation and aggregation you can do. Overall, the result which is coming from this case, you are doing this operation. Okay. Any questions on this? Wherever you come across aggregations, group by is must, guys. Group by is must. Any
Can I
questions?
make calculations after getting this amount completed value after below? Can I make any calculations on top of that?
This field, no, you can't do any field. Any field which is part of this field, this CDS, you cannot reuse the same field within the same CDS. You should use another CDS.
Okay. I mean to say, let's suppose I have S indicator and H indicator. I done the sum calculations for both. In the same CDS, I would like to know the difference. S
No,
minus H.
no, in that case, just a minute. Okay, for example, this is the net amount. Okay, I know calculated value. This is the this particular thing. Again, you need to rewrite the logic. For example, I need to do, okay, difference. Okay, sum
Hmm.
of the sum of, you need to use net amount, the value based on this. Okay, minus, and followed by, again you need to write case, end case like this.
Okay. We can't use the directly those field, which is
No,
already
no.
cast.
The values which are already derived as a part of the CDS, you cannot use within the same CDS. That's it. If this is a value derived in the CDS, I cannot use this field for another field calculation directly. If see, it gives, throws clearly error. It throws clearly error. This field is cannot be used.
So as
Yep.
Satish said, so if you want to calculate the complete debit amount and credit amount based on GL account or like that, so we need to fetch the data to application server like normal looping
Not
we need to
applications
do.
here. Okay, debit credit. First, I will write one field this like, okay, debit amount, credit amount. Okay, for example, okay, this is overall status. Okay, what I will do is, okay, when debit, do this particular amount. Okay, so when credit, I'll do this. Okay, what I can do is simply I can rewrite some same field, sum. Okay, difference of case when, this way again we can write logic. What I mean to say, again we need to achieve using logic, guys, on the same database fields instead of this derived wheel. If you getting confused, okay, to write on the derived value it is difficult, means it is again applying, is it not getting possible to apply this database fields, then creates one sub CDS, on top of that one more CDS you need to create. It is not necessary that you need to achieve the requirement using single CDS, guys. We to create, to achieve one of the requirement, we may create 10 CDS also, guys. That depends on your requirement. Okay. So intention is clear. See here, for the question, the answer is clear. For derived field, you cannot use within the same CDS. For that question, answer is clear. But my alternative option is, wherever you want to use, again use the same condition and apply the value, apply the conditions. Again use same formula and apply the condition there. That's what my intention. Hope it's clear now. Any confusion, guys?
I think it can be cleared when we are doing that hands-on.
Yeah. We'll
Yeah.
just once we go into that reporting type of series, slowly once after this we'll go one by one, right? You'll understand. Okay, we can't use like this. So that way you can see. Okay. Fine. I hope clear, and aggregations till this point, whatever the things which we discussed is clear, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the one. Again, if you want to use this part of this particular CDS in another CDS, that is your wish based on the relation of sales document. That's your wish based on the relation of sales. I can use in this our CDS itself. So already has a calculated value. Already has a calculated value. Doesn't matter. Okay, and I can create inner join. I can create left outer join. What are the things? Associations which you wish. Okay, generally preferred unless until it is specifically preferred, use an association. Do not use joins, any type of join. If you want specifically inner join, specifically if you want a common record, then only go for inner join, guys, else doesn't matter. Okay, I know as per business requirement it is an common records, definitely it will have, I need the same way, then use inner join. Hope it's clear, guys. Okay, so you can use the different functions which we used on the type of character or related to thing like an L pad, M pad. Okay, just I'm using this particular CDS, just use executing. Oh, again activated. Just a minute. Okay, activating. Okay, see here, this is the amount which is coming. I can apply round function. I can apply round function. What are the things? Okay, floor, or floor means it is used to round to nearest lower value. Okay, and we have a seal and floor. In even regular ABAP also we used to have that keywords. Seal is to sorry, it is to round the nearest upper value. See, floor is nearest lower value. And you can use regular round function also. Regular round function based on these things. For example, I want to round to 0 decimals. Okay, round this to 0 decimals, net amount. Okay, I can apply it simply. Guys, for now I'm removing this for time, just to avoid that time consumption. I'm just commenting, not removing it. Okay, now I'm going to apply a round operation on net price amount or net price quantity. That's your wish. Okay, I'm using, instead of net price amount, I'll use a round. Okay, followed by to how many decimals you want to round it, comma, followed by 1 decimal. Okay, I'll round it as net price. As net price, like this you can apply it, guys, as net price. For example, now activated. Okay, now see here, this is a net price. Initially it is used to have 17.55. Now it is rounded to 17.60. Clearly it shows it 17.55. It is used to round and it is doing it. Is it clear, guys? Rounding function, you can make it to your requirement. Name of the field followed by to how many decimals. If you want to 0 decimals, you can use 0, guys. You can use 0 decimals. Okay, similarly you can apply floor or seal. It is directly, simply it goes by floor represents the lower value, nearest lower value. Okay, and seal nearest upper value. Is a round is a regular thing which is the based on below. If it comes below 0.5, it goes to lower value. 0.5 and above, it goes to upper value. Round, regular things. Hope it's clear. Any questions on this? Okay, all the functions which we used, guys, we can use it. Round, floor, mod, division, all these things. Seal, okay, ABS, absolute value. These all are the functions which you can apply on the quantity, amount, or any numeric integer related fields. Okay, these are all upper, concatenate, or related to character related fields, string functions. Any questions on this, guys, till this point? Any confusion? Okay, so we'll continue tomorrow, guys, and further we'll discuss some of the functions, and slowly we'll go. Anyway, we are using standard, and now go slowly. We used to get all the associations, how to go with the lower level of hierarchy of association, applying conditions on the associations. That all we'll discuss in next continuous classes, guys. Okay, fine. So let's meet tomorrow, guys. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye, guys.